there, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have two topics for you. First up, we're going to give you the major differences between LVP, luxury vinyl planks, versus hardwood. We're also going to do a Terminology Tuesday where we describe the major components of a water treatment system. Stay tuned.
This is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to talk with you about the difference between a luxury vinyl plank and a hardwood floor. Let's talk about price. Luxury vinyl planks, they're less expensive than hardwood. How about maintenance? Here again, we have luxury vinyl has lower maintenance than hardwood. The thing about hardwood is sometimes it has to be buffed up. May have to be restayed, may even have to be sanded over the years. Let's look at the ease of installation. If you were going to install either one of these floors as a homeowner, for sure, luxury vinyl is easier to install. You don't need nails. It just snaps together and gets pushed down in place. Hardwood, you'll need a chop saw and you'll need a special nail gun to put the hardwood in place. And then the last thing is, what about your return on investment? Well, let's take a look at this. There is some charm, but not everybody likes luxury vinyl planks. Traditionally, people are used to hardwood. So because of that, we would say that hardwood is going to give you a little better return. I hope that was informative.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is water treatment system. John's on site and he's going to walk us through the components of a water treatment system. John?
Water treatment system, and at this particular house, this is a system that they use and that they need because they're in well water. Let's take a look at the system. I'll talk to you about the different components. This first component right here, this tank has a mixture of water and also chlorine. This is used as a chlorine injector. Why do we need a chlorine injector? It gets rid of the smell that sometimes you get with well water. This next container over here, this houses the salt. There's salt down into that container there, and that is used for the water softener. So the way that works is you have a water softener right behind me, and about once a day, what happens is the water just flushes down through here with the salt mixture, and it cleans off the particles that are inside of this tank, because those particles are what takes the hardness out of the water. The next thing that we have here, this is a whole house filter. So in case in this little container we can unscrew it, we're going to see a filter. I'll show you what a filter actually looks like. Here's what the whole house filter looks like. What this is good for, it takes out particles like rust particles and dirt and things like that can come up from your well. And the last thing I want to show you in this particular house here is that they have this tank up top. What that is, there's a UV light that comes down through here. What the UV light does is the well water, as it passes by the UV light, it helps to kill bacteria. So that's a total water treatment system. Thank you.
We hope today's video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our page. We'll see you next week.